Option spreads in Excel give you a powerful way to manage risk and define your potential outcomes before you ever enter a trade. A spread simply means combining two or more options on the same underlying, where you buy one and sell another. The beauty is that your maximum loss is known up front. Today, we will walk through how to build, analyze, and track option spreads right inside Excel using MarketXLS. There are several types of option spreads, and each one fits a different market outlook. Vertical spreads, like a bull call or bear put, use the same expiration but different strikes. Calendar spreads use the same strike but different expirations, which lets you take advantage of time decay differences. Diagonal spreads combine both, using different strikes and different expirations. You might also look at iron condors for range-bound markets. The key is matching the right spread type to your market thesis. The first step is pulling live option chain data into your spreadsheet. With MarketXLS, you can use the Get Option Chain function to bring in the full chain for any stock. Just type =Get Option Chain and pass in your ticker symbol. You will instantly see strikes, expirations, bids, asks, volume, open interest, and implied volatility. This is your foundation for building any spread strategy right in Excel. Let us build a bull call spread step by step. Say you are moderately bullish on Apple. You buy the 180 strike call for $5.20 and sell the 190 strike call for $2.10. Your net debit is $3.10 per share, and that is also your maximum loss. Your max profit is the spread width, $10 minus the debit, giving you $6.90. The break-even point is simply the lower strike plus your net debit, which is $183.10. All of this math is straightforward to set up in Excel. The bear put spread works the same way, just in the opposite direction. If you are moderately bearish, you buy the higher strike put at 190 and sell the lower strike put at 180. Your net debit here is $3.60. Max profit is the spread width minus the debit, so $6.40. And the break-even is the higher strike minus the debit, which comes to $186.40. Same framework, same Excel formulas, just applied to a bearish outlook. An important distinction is credit spreads versus debit spreads. With a debit spread, you pay a net premium up front and profit when the stock moves in your expected direction. With a credit spread, you collect premium up front and profit when the stock stays within a range or moves favorably. Credit spreads can be appealing because you start with money in your pocket. The trade-off is that your max profit is the credit received, while max loss is the spread width minus the credit. Both approaches have their place depending on your market view and risk preference. Understanding the Greeks for your spread is essential for managing the position. With MarketXLS, you can pull individual Greeks using the delta and theta functions for each leg. The magic of spreads is that the short leg offsets some of the long leg's risk. In our bull call example, the net delta of 0.27 confirms a moderate bullish bias. And notice how net theta is much smaller than a naked long call because the short call's positive theta partially offsets the long call's decay. You can monitor these in real time as the underlying moves. Once your spreads are live, you need a way to track them. You can build a portfolio monitor in Excel that pulls real-time pricing for each leg and calculates your current P&L automatically. Track your entry cost, current spread value, days to expiration, and percentage return, all in one view. This gives you a clear picture of when to hold, adjust, or close a position. Having this kind of dashboard in Excel means you can manage multiple spreads across different stocks from a single spreadsheet. To recap, option spreads in Excel let you define your risk, plan your trades, and track positions all in one place. With MarketXLS, You can pull live option chain data, calculate your spread metrics, monitor the Greeks, and build a complete portfolio dashboard. Whether you prefer bull call spreads, bear put spreads, or credit strategies, Excel gives you the flexibility to model any scenario. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe to stay updated. The demo link is in the description.